Welcome everybody, and I'm just so delighted to have you in this amazing shared space. I have some beautiful souls listening live right in the room, and welcome to everybody who's listening at some point in the future, wherever that may be. I'm so delighted to have you and to be taking you on a beautiful journey with these workshops. And the fact that you're joining me right now tells me there's some calling that you have to reconnect with who you are, to recover or renew parts of yourself or who you really authentically are. And it's not that any of us are lost, far from it, but sometimes we never lose our worth, but sometimes it gets forgotten. And something that I've experienced on stage is, I wear costumes, I paint my face, but we all wear masks that we wear at different times to play different roles for different people. And those masks, we feed them, we buy into them, we maintain them, we create them. And then where is the authentic you? Beneath all those masks. We mask ourselves from ourselves. So we're going to take a good deep dive into that with the workshops. And for now, I just want to set the stage because, as I hinted, the stage really is, it's not a cliche when they say life imitates art, art imitates life. And over the 20 years that I've been on stage, I've really come to see how the performance that we give, the applause that we seek, the way that we create and compose ourselves, I do for stage, but that really plays out into our daily lives as well. For whatever stage it is that you inhabit, whether that's the boardroom, whether that's your home life. And I've understood very intimately how the costumes and the ways in which we create ourselves, and literally for me on stage, the costumes can be so constricting and uncomfortable and heavy, and I can't breathe. And again, an analogy for how we do this to ourselves in our daily lives. So I never want to do things conventionally, so I'm going to start at the end. I'm going to be starting with your standing ovation. We're going to backtrack through the performance. We're going to take it back to the dressing room. And just like I striptease on stage, we're going to peel away the layers. And I would encourage you, this is a safe space for you to be compassionately curious and honest, and to really tap into your intuition as we work through the workshops. This is a safe space, and I would encourage you to be open to any thoughts, emotions that come up, perhaps things that might surprise you, to not have any expectations for certain answers. You may tap into things that you weren't expecting, and I fully encourage you to take your time, to not rush through, and let the insights that come through from the workshop percolate. There's no rush. This really is your space and your time. And of course, I love things to have a light and tongue-in-cheek touch. But I believe that the insights that you can come away with are incredibly powerful. So without further ado, drum roll, let's open the curtains and welcome to the show. Welcome to who you are.